Yo, what is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be giving you my unboxing and first impressions of the Moto G6 Play from Boost Mobile. Now, I did pick this up from Walmart, and if you guys want to go ahead and pick up this phone too as well, it is $80, but the thing is, I didn't see any of these on display, weirdly enough, just like the Moto E5 Play, so you will have to ask one of the employees to go ahead and get it from the back or maybe from one of the storage units. But yeah, let's go ahead and see what this phone has in store. Stay tuned. So before we do unbox this, we do have some specifications at the back of the box. It says we have a 5.7-inch HD touchscreen display. We also have a 4,000 milliamp battery, which is pretty huge. We also have 3G/4G LTE, LTE Plus with 2x20 CA and HPUE. We also have a 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, 16 GB internal storage, 2 GB of RAM, Android OS, 13 megapixels for the main camera, 5 megapixels for the front camera. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so the box actually came inside of the box, which is pretty nice. So we get the stock Motorola Moto G6 Play box, just like we did on the Moto E5 Play as well. Let's go ahead and unbox this though. So let's go ahead and get Mr. Knifey and cut this up. Alright guys, so as you see right away, we do have the phone on top. And wow, oh, it feels and looks way more expensive than the Moto E5 Plus. Definitely go for this version if you can. Feels absolutely amazing. So we have the 4,000 milliamp rapid charging. We have a 5.7-inch max vision display, HD Plus, 13 megapixel with fast focus, 1.4 gigahertz quad core, a fingerprint reader, and expandable memory as well. So that's pretty awesome. But yeah, let's go ahead and put that to the side. So first and foremost, we have a huge travel adapter right here. We have our micro USB cable right here as well. We have our SIM ejector tool. We have legal and safety information right here as well. And I am super surprised because this does have a case. So far, first impressions, not even going into the phone, but just looking at this and it having a case, this is definitely going to be worth $80, like straight up. Like if you guys have the money to get this one instead of like the E5, then you guys have to get this one. But honestly, really good impression so far. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take the little plastic protector off of this front of the screen. So satisfying every single time. Alright guys, so first and foremost, this phone actually feels super expensive in my hand right now. But we have the Motorola emblem at the bottom. We have our flash right here, as well as our front-facing camera and our headset. Back of the device, we have this awesome shiny blue look. I guess I don't really know what kind of color this is. I'd say it's probably dark blue. But yeah, really nice color. Everything looks really nice. We have the camera and the flash on the back, as well as a fingerprint sensor as well with the Motorola emblem, which I really like because it looks really dope. And on the right side of the device, we do have a textured power button as well as a volume rocker. Left side of the device, we have our SIM card ejector. Top of the device, we have a noise canceling mic as well as a 3.5mm head jack. And at the bottom of the device, we have our micro USB port as well as our noise canceling mic. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and power this up. I am super excited to see how this device's screen looks. Oh, so far, like, first impressions looks nice already straight away with this HD Plus screen. But we're gonna go ahead and set it up really quick. All right guys, so first and foremost, like, this has really surprised me. The 18:9 aspect ratio screen is definitely beautiful, and really the screen looks nice even watching YouTube and everything. Obviously you have to pinch to zoom when you are watching a video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys really quick. So as you see, one of my videos, you have to go ahead and do that. Also, another thing, we do have a front facing speaker, and that is going to double as our headset. So also want to point out that the very clear and very loud speaker, and I'm super pleased with that as well. Also, if we go ahead and go to settings, we can go ahead and take a look at our software. So I believe we have Android 8.0 right here. So we have Android 8.0 Oreo, which is really nice to see. Another awesome thing as well is this does have Dolby audio inside of it, so you guys can go ahead and turn it off and on when needed. But that's a very dope feature. But everything else, texting is pretty nice on here. Device is very fast and fluent. Basically stock Android, as you guys can see, just like any other Motorola device. Very nice, and just, you know, off the cuff right here, definitely a device that's worth $80. And without seeing the price tag, I would have thought this device is like a $200 $250 device. So really awesome job, Motorola, on this device. Phone feels amazing. Also, another thing I want to take a look at is the camera, because I heard the camera is pretty decent as well. Camera looks really nice so far. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this Mario. It looks like we get detail as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Yeah, pictures look great, honestly, so far. If we take a look at some of the other features we have professional mode, slow motion, panorama, video. We have HDR on this device as well. We have up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So everything that you need in a phone, honestly, is here. I'd go even as far as saying this is probably the best budget prepaid phone you can get from Boost Mobile right now. So some of the other devices don't really look too amazing, but this one is super pleasing to the eye and actually feels really nice in the hand. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.